Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to claim the $8,000 dollars reward to open and fund a QuestTrade FHSA account. So yeah guys, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you have to go to this link. I'll put this link in the description down below, or alternatively you can just go to google.com, search for QuestTrade $8,000 promo, and yeah, you will just find this link. So you can win up to $8,000 for your first home. So you just have to go to this link, click on open an account, put in all of your information correctly, create an account, and then you just have to fund your QuestTrade account. Just put in your legal first name, last name, email address, and all the other information that you will have to fill after click on next. And yeah guys, once you fund your account, you will receive a reward of $8,000. And yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.